Hello everyone, it's Fran here. For those who are new to this channel, I've been making these videos with the Sunnybank Trust every week for the past year. And I just wanted to say a very special thank you to everyone at home who's been watching and everybody at the care homes. Thank you so much for your support. Today we're going to be making these. We're going to be turning ourselves into bunnies. If you don't have a picture of yourself though, you can use maybe a picture of your favourite celebrity or something from a magazine. Let's get started. For this activity you will need a black pipe cleaner or a white pipe cleaner. You'll need some coloured card, any colour will do, and some cotton wool. We'll need lots of this. You'll also need a printed photo of yourself where you can see your head clearly, or get some photos from some magazines of people. You'll also need some glue and some scissors. We've got another template this week, so find the link in the caption below. If you're tracing your template, you'll need your laptop screen, some paper and a pencil. Here's how we do it. Turn your brightness up to 100% and place your paper on top of your screen. With your pencil, gently trace around the outline of the shape. Cut out around the outline of your bunny template. Take out your chosen coloured card. Using your glue, stick your template to your coloured card. Take out your photo of yourself. With our scissors, we're going to cut around the outside of our face shape. And we're going to try our hardest not to show any hair. Cut around slowly so you don't miss anything. You may want to neaten up the edges just to make everything smooth and not jagged. Now we're going to apply glue to the back of our photo cutout. And we're going to stick it on right in the middle of our template. Apply glue directly onto the ears shapes of your template. Now we can add our cotton wool to the ears. Apply glue all around your head shape, except for, of course, your photo of your face. Now we're going to add cotton wool all around to surround the face. Now we're going to use our fingers to slightly loosen the cotton wool balls, to spread them out a bit. This is to make our bunny look a little bit fluffier. This may take a while, but Just go round and have a look. You can see how the bunny is getting fluffier now. Keep going. Now we're on the last step. Take out your pipe cleaner and cut it into 4. We're going to apply glue to the back of each piece of pipe cleaner. And we're going to stick them on as whiskers, coming off each side of the cheek. There's going to be 2 on each side. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a bunny photo today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.